Hey there, Nocturnes! Welcome back to English Me, dito sa Nocturnal Sage, a guide for those left in the dark. Ako nga pala ulit, si Kuya N, ang inyong class president. Noong nakaraang meeting with Sir Jeremy, tinapos na naman natin ang isang bahagi na reaction paper series. Diniscuss niya ang tungkol sa, ano yung tawag ulit doon, sa dalawang terms na yon, parehong S. Yes, structure and style. Natutunan natin na kapag gusto natin magsulat ng effective reaction paper o kahit ano pang paper yan, dapat merong ayos o structure. May introduction, may body, and conclusion. Saka, yung style, yung pangalawang S, yung style, ay yan yung kung paano mo gamitin yung lengguwahe mo. Yun dapat alam mo kung anong words yung gagamitin mo, kung formal ba, hindi masyadong formal, casual, at iba pa. Depende na sa kung sinong kasama mo. So, yun yung natutunan natin last week. At bukod doon, natutunan din natin na dapat gumagamit din tayo ng mga devices. Kapag gusto nating i-emphasize ang isang punto, gumagamit tayo ng words like first, second, especially, even though, nevertheless, mga transitional devices. Pang elementary yun, reviewin nyo na lang, balikan nyo na lang. O pwede nyo i-google ngayon. Magbukas kayo ng isang tab, habang nakikinig sa akin. Magbukas kayo ng panibagong tab, i-type nyo, transitional devices. At maraming lalabas. Gusto mo yung magkatunggali, yung sumasalungat yung mga ideas, gumamit ka ng on the other hand, nevertheless, despite the, kung gusto mo magdagdag, sabihin mo na lang or isulat in addition, to add, furthermore, moreover, etc. Basta practice lang yan, makukuha nyo din yan. Yung paggamit ng transitional devices. Ngayon, medyo nakaka-nosebleed yung magiging topic natin kasi pag-umpisa na, umpisa pa lang to, umpisa pa lang, hindi pa talaga yung actual na maririnig na natin si Sir Jeremy na magsasabi ng mga isims, ano pa ba, isim din, basta puro isims, magiging maasim yung damdamin nyo. Pero ayos lang yun kasi makakatulong yung ituturo sa atin ngayon ni Sir Jeremy. Kaya basta makinig lang kayo, makinig at saka intindihin nyo yung mga sinasabi niya at makakaraos kayo ng maayos, kagaya ng sa akin. Okay, ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Tara na nga, magklase na nga tayo sa kanya. Oh, English me, oh, English me, gusto kong matuto ng Ingles, pero hindi alam kung paano. Hello, class. Welcome back. I'm very pleased to announce my collaboration with Ziteboard.com. Thank you, Ziteboard, for letting me use your software so that I can carry on with my lessons. So goodbye to PowerPoints and hello, Ziteboard. So for tonight, class, we will explore different approaches to writing critiques. Before, I told you we will focus on a new aspect, and this new aspect of writing reaction papers is, yes, the approaches. Why do we need to study these approaches? First, you have to know and understand that when it comes to the art subjects in college, arts including literature, including media usually, and even in non-arts courses like science, in which you'll be asked to watch documentaries. So in any subject, you can expect that you'll be asked to write reaction papers. And usually, the subjects that you're going to write on take the form of TV series, of movies, and even songs. Can you believe that? Other than that, if you're asked to take a literature course in college, you'll be asked to write a paper on novels that you're going to read, or even plays. I remember the time when I was in college, we were asked to watch a play and then write something about it. So that's a reaction paper. And even poems. You may be, okay, maybe it's not called a reaction paper, but a critical study. Nonetheless, it has the same conventions, the same practices. So reason number one why you're studying approaches in writing a critique is because of
the arts. Even if you're going to take up engineering or any other science related course, you cannot escape the arts. It's essential that you take art subjects, the humanities, because you're human and human beings cannot live without being aesthetic at least once in their lives. And also, even if you're not going to take or any art subject, if you're not going to use it for academic purposes, it would be a pity, right? It would be a shame. It would be a shame if you just watch and not think about what you're watching, nor knowing what you're watching. Usually that's how most people do it. They just watch and after that, gone. But if you have a critical mind, if you want to learn something more about what you watch or watch something intelligently, then writing critiques will help. That is if you want to be known as the smartest person in the world. Would you? Now, here's the $1,000,000 word: critical approaches. Now, what are critical approaches? It's simply using certain paradigms to evaluate a subject. Simply that. When we say evaluate, we either praise or bash. Okay, to put it bluntly, but of course, when we will write critiques, we will not say, okay, we can use the word praise, but we will certainly not write something like, I am writing to bash the author of this book or story. But what makes it different though is that we bash with style. Don't forget this. We bash with style. And in studying critical approaches, we deal with theories. Theories by certain authors like Sigmund Freud. Well, Sigmund Freud, he's more of a psychologist, but yes, we'll definitely use his paradigm. Okay, when we say paradigm, we refer to models, by the way, okay? Models or theories. If you're confused by the word paradigm, okay? They're equivalent to theories. And in order to praise or bash with style, we have to use certain terms. So in the next session, I want you to prepare for the first type of criticism or approach that we're going to study. So continue surviving in the dark, everyone, and see you next time.
Oh English me, oh English me, gusto kong matuto ng Ingles pero hindi alam kung paano. Sino ang magtuturo? Gusto kong matuto na talaga. Oh English me. Word of the night: paradigm. Noun. Ang first three na makakapag-comment sa baba ng meaning at ng kanyang original sentence ay magkakaroon ng special mention sa susunod na episode. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo, Nocturnals? Mag-comment na kayo sa baba bago mag-Friday para masama ang inyong post sa susunod na editing. Nagustuhan ninyo ang episode na to, i-like nyo lang. Saka kung may mga katanungan kayo, suggestions, mag-comment na lang din. Bukod doon, i-share nyo naman yung video na to. Mas maganda pa nga yung buong playlist na eh. Sa mga kakilala nyong senior high na magtitake ng English for academic and professional purposes sa pasukan o ngayon kung pumapasok na, di ba? Kasi kanya-kanya ng diskarte ngayon sa paghahanap ng mga resource materials, hindi tayo makapunta sa ating schools kasi sarado dulot ng pandemya. Makakatulong pa kayo kung ginawa nyo yun. Bukod doon, mag-join din kayo sa ating private Facebook group. Yung link nasa baba para yun sa mga katulad nyo na nahihiya siguro mag-suggest ng topic sa baba. Pero kung may mga naisip kayong taboo topics na gusto nyong pag-usapan natin sa channel na to, nandoon ang Nocturne Space para makapag-suggest kayo na hindi hinuhusga ng iba. Kasi kasama ninyo sa group na yun ang mga kapares ninyo mag-isip. Hindi sa lahat, mag-subscribe din kayo. At saka itap yung notification bell para hindi kayo mahuli sa mga anumang updates na nilalabas namin. O nga pala no, new episodes every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Ang Nocturnal Sage ay nakatuon sa 4 na larangan. Una, self-conquest. Ito ay tungkol sa pagpaprocess ng mga dark emotions kagaya ng galit, depression. Though walang kasama medication ito, walang prescriptions na ibibigay kasi di naman kami psychiatrist. Pangalawa ay tungkol sa communication, kaya nga may English me eh. Pero bukod doon, pwede rin kami gumawa ng mga playlist tungkol sa developing self-confidence when speaking in public. Kahit nasa quarantine tayo, malay nyo, dumating ulit yung araw na makakapagsalita tayo sa harapan ng maraming tao live. At kailangan mo syempre ng kumpiyansa para gawin yun, di ba? So, tamang-tama na nandito ka ngayon nanonood, pwede mo rin i-suggest yan. Mag-suggest ka ng anumang topic tungkol sa, let's say, public speaking. Mapa-English, mapa-Filipino. Basta paano makipag-usap sa iba ng epektibo, yung hindi ganun ka-awkward. So, communication. Pangatlo ay leadership. Kung ikaw ay bagong student council officer o kung ikaw ay working professional na gusto mong matutunan kung paano humawak ng tao kasi first time mo lang siguro na-promote, para rin sa iyo ang channel na to. Kasi forte din ni Sir Jeremy ang leadership and management. Pang-apat ay expansion. Kung ikaw ay naghahangad ng self-fulfillment sa iyong buhay, pero hindi mo makuha-kuha, siguro kasi akala mo na yung pera ay nagpapasaya, yung mga, kahit sabihin natin mataas yung sinisweldo mo, pero hindi naman pala nagbibigay ng ganap na kasiyahan, o sabihin natin marami kang social media friends, marami kang likes or followers sa yung mga account or accounts, hindi pa yun yung sapat para masabi mo na successful ka. So, kung gusto mong malaman o magkaroon ng idea o ng ibang approach sa buhay, tama, ibang approach sa buhay, kasi maring meron ka ng techniques, kuwari, paano palaguin yung business mo, pero parang may kulang parang may gusto ka pang mangyari bukod doon. O siguro, nangyayari na pero hindi mo napapansin. So, yung mga ganun bang bagay, pwede natin yung pag-usapan sa channel na to. So, pwede tayong gumawa ng playlist tungkol sa expansion, kung paano mo mapapalawak ang iyong impluensya sa mundo. So, it's more on yung expansion, kung paano mo palalawakin pa ang iyong horizon, ang iyong pananaw sa buhay, ang iyong, basta sa lahat ng sa iba't ibang aspekto yan. Pwede sa katututunan mo, sa mga kasanayan mo, yun, yung mga ganung bagay. Salamat muli sa panonood. Ako si Kuya N. Kita-kits sa susunod na episode ng English Me dito sa Nocturnal Sage, a guide for those left in the dark.